Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Windows Game Bar and verifying input devices. Open Settings and go to Gaming, then toggle Xbox Game Bar on. Once done, make sure background recording and microphone access are enabled so clips capture audio. Learn the key shortcuts now. Win plus G opens the overlay. Win plus Alt plus R starts and stops recording. Within the overlay, the capture widget grabs screenshots and short clips. This immediate setup gets you recording quickly and prevents missed footage while you prepare to capture gameplay. Next, configure capture settings to match your goals. Open Settings Gaming Captures and pick a maximum clip length, video quality, and frame rate. Higher FPS yields smoother output but larger files. Then, within the overlay, use the audio widget to balance game sound, system audio, and your microphone so commentary sits clearly over gameplay. Also change the save folder to a drive with space. Once done, make sure to enable the microphone toggle when you want live commentary. These settings control file size and audio clarity. To finish, open Win plus G and press record or hit Win plus Alt plus R to capture your session. You can also capture a screenshot from the capture widget. After recording, review clips in the gallery. Trim simple highlights or export to your editor for more polish. When sharing, compress only if needed to save bandwidth. If recording fails, first make sure Game Bar is enabled, then update GPU drivers and close overlays or apps that block capture. Finally, restart Windows and try again, as that often clears permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.